Ready to unlock the full potential of your Wix website by embedding custom HTML code. First, navigate to the Wix editor and click the Add button, typically found on the left sidebar, to open the Elements panel. Scroll down until you find the Embed Code option and click on it. This reveals several embedding choices. You'll see options like Embed a Site, Custom Element, and the one we're focusing on, HTML iframe. Drag and drop the HTML iframe element onto your page where you want your custom code to appear. Reposition and resize the iframe as needed, then click the Enter Code button within the iframe settings. A text box will appear. Carefully paste your HTML code into the input box. For instance, a simple Hello World paragraph tag. Once you've pasted your code, click the Update button to see your custom element come to life. Adjust the iframe size to fit your content perfectly, then click Preview to view the integration on your live Wix website. If you encounter any issues, double-check your code for errors and ensure the iframe is properly sized.